The Legend of Dreamcatcher. The legend tells of the 16th of a Spider-Woman, Azibikashi. She took care of the people of the earth. The Spider-Woman watched over the creatures of our world. How? Come? She watched over the cradle and the bed of the children, intent of waving a subtle, delicate and strong web, capable of trapping all the evil between its threads, and of making it vanish at sunrise. When his people scatter in North America, his task of taking care of the children began to get complicated. Mothers and grandmothers began to weave nets of magical properties by themselves, capable of trapping negative dreams and nightmares to protect their children.